On December 22nd, New York Governor Kathy Hochul vetoed a bill that would have banned non-competes in New York. As discussed on a previous LaborSpeak, the New York State Legislature passed the bill, which has extremely broad restrictions, in June 2023. Many other states ban the use of non-competes, but they often include carve-outs such as salary thresholds or restrictions agreed to in the sale of business context. New York's bill had no such thresholds or carve-outs. Additionally, it adopted some language from California's non-compete statute, which some California courts have interpreted as prohibiting non-solicit and confidentiality covenants in addition to non-compete covenants. Before the governor's veto, the governor and the legislature had reportedly been negotiating carve-outs to the bill, but couldn't come to terms on a final version. The governor reportedly proposed a threshold of $250,000 a year as a carve-out to the non-compete prohibition, but the Senate Democrats felt that number was way too low. Additionally, they couldn't come to terms on what types of compensation, such as salary, stock options, and bonuses, would count towards the threshold. This is likely just the beginning, rather than the end of the story for non-competes in New York. While the governor and Senate Democrats weren't able to come to terms on what a non-compete bill would look like this year, they're likely to revisit the topic next year. Governor Hochul, in a veto memorandum explaining her decision to veto the bill, stated that she realizes the need to restrict the use of non-competes for middle-class and low-wage workers, and is open to future legislation that achieves the right balance. Additionally, the sponsor of the bill stated that he would reintroduce the same or a similar bill next year. Finally, the Federal Trade Commission is likely to vote on its proposed rule that would restrict non-competes next year. But for now, we've avoided a seismic shift in the New York non-compete landscape. As always, if you have any questions about this law or any other employment questions, feel free to contact a member of our team.